Hey, good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Happy Wednesday time. Happy Wednesday time, chat. How's it going, guys? Good evening. Good afternoon. Pretty much all around the world. Let's go, guys, and share the presentation. Share the video with all your friends, with all the fellas out there. Make sure to let your friends know about it. Good morning, guys. Here's the link. You can pick the link. You can share the video with your friends. I'm just going to go ahead and share this in our trading communities. Let's go. How you doing, guys? Have you traded today? 486. I think we're all-time high. I think we're all-time high in Nasdaq. I think we are all-time high at the moment. I was verifying my daily chart here, and previously we were trading around 433 as an all-time high for Nasdaq. So today, pretty much clearly, we have confirmed the all-time high structure. Good morning, everyone. How's it going, fellas? Jeez, everyone. We got a different glass today. We don't have a cup of tea today. We're taking it differently. This is something else. Not going to be able to tell it here on YouTube, right? YouTube policies might not enjoy that. But we know about other things as well. So cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day and get started. Let me set up my copy trading. We are very, very close to the payout. So I have to set up my first 3 accounts. Right, this 3 accounts here. So let me just move away my face. Those 3 accounts are the ones that are going to be traded in the first group, then the next 3 accounts, right? So we got 2 groups that way, and this one alone. Right here, we need to do around $1,200. But the maximum I could do in a day is about $1,175, so I'm $25 short with that. Which means that I'm not going to force it today, I'm going to allow myself an extra day. And this is for these 3 ones that I'm going to set as a copy trading. Right now, we're going to begin with those. Right here, we clearly need 2 days, we need more than 1,500. And then on the 7th, on the last one, which is traded alone, we need around 1,100. And that's within my range of maximum that I could do. Beautiful, guys. So that's where we are right now. Let's go to the copy trading here. Clear the previous settings. Thank you, Anton. Appreciate it. Beautiful. Appreciate your great words. I also wish you a great time on the beach. You must be relaxing at this moment. And that is the way to go about it. That's the name of the game. So, we're trading the first 3 accounts. We need around 1,200 here, but we're not going to be able to make that much. Welcome. Good morning, Badger. Good morning, Henry, Hikari, Oliver, Nick Patel, Enzo. Hey. Hope it's going to be a good one as well. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Let's bring up the numbers and allow YouTube to give us some exposure. Some more exposure, right? 55% on top 1 futures for the SimPro accounts. And 50% for Ticktick Trader if you're buying through Skrill. That's their promotion. If you're buying through Skrill, you get 50%. End of the day, straight to funded with that. Morning, guys. Welcome, everyone. Cheers, guys. Enjoy your day. Let's having a good time. With Nasdaq on the all-time high.
Order filled.
We have been flat on this resistance for a few times, but the lows are putting pressure, right? The lows are setting pressure against. Clearly, the resistance is around this level with the 491. So I'd like to see if we grab some liquidity from the wick that has been established earlier.
Order filled.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening for some of you. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Let me just bring myself to the right spot.
Order filled.
It's going to be pretty choppy here till we are opening. Probably pretty choppy till the opening. And it's not easy to long here in the top. I'm going to try to trail my position a little bit. Let's go. Resistance is quite clear here. Beautiful. Putting my stop loss on the entry and allowing the markets to run a little bit higher as soon as they are having strength. I'm not gonna deny that. I'll go for my target on 1140, and then what is left for tomorrow is gonna be less than $200, and we're going for the payout on this 3. Obviously the target is not near me right now, so yeah, the market's already in the highs. We're speaking about the all-time high condition, but we got the 500s there that are psychological, so it's not easy to trade this conditions, guys. Certainly not. Putting the stop loss right below that. This distance right here is not worth to be allowing it. As soon as it returns and reverses, I have to be out there. It makes no sense to give away that $90 with the break-even exchange. Come on, guys. Just a little more. It's difficult. I'm gonna set a limit order on 96. No, I'm out here.
Order filled.
Better securing that. $140 profit for the moment, but I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back to this. We are in a spot right now. We're obviously on the Low time frame representation, we're speaking about the oversold structure that repeats. There is a temporary resistance here at a psychological barrier of the 500s. In order to see a strong move here, we need something that's missing, and that's the New York opening volume. So it would be a surprise to see it differently. Temporary support on 483 on the 1 minute, but at the same time resistance 490s. I mean, we could turn that right now. Let me share with you. We could do something like this. You guys should not underestimate that possibility. Look at that. I think there is a lot of the people waiting here with the 500s to short Nasdaq, some smaller fish. Other than, I don't know who would actually engage in a short in such market condition when you break the all-time high. Let me just get back to the 5 minutes here. This is an interesting indicator. Mean reversion channel. Done by this person right here on TradingView. It has an inner and outer channel with overbought, oversold, dynamic support and resistance, right? So we're clearly at the top here, at the top of the cloud. This is already getting risky there. And of course, whatever is above the cloud is basically a spot that you don't want to open up short-term positions. The indicator tells me that some decent entries would be around 457 right here. And obviously on the lower side too. But take a look in the way we have been confirming this indicator. How nicely we've been delivering on those lines. So it has been confirming, guys. Powell speaks today in the Senate on the monetary policy subject. He's going to be out there at 10 a.m. We're going to see some more market movements. We still have 80% chance of pause in the Federal Reserve rates. 80% for July. Let me set up the message for the giveaway, $25,000. Top 1 futures giveaway today. Should be a temporary support here, but I'm going to test out a short. Oops, not a limit order. I need a market order.
Order filled.
I feel like the markets could get a little hungry.
Order
No.
filled.
Shorts are not working. Was looking for something like this. Right, this move right here, squeezing below. And then a higher low. So I could get back into my long somewhere over there. But it's not that easy. Look at that. Ten seconds for this candlestick on the 5-minute. Anything back into 480s is a gift.
Order filled.
Let me test it out, guys.
Order filled.
Morning everyone. Hey, make sure to like the video, guys. We've got the giveaway coming out. Massive one, of course. Pushing for the payout here. We need around 1,200.
Order filled.
This is Sim Pro accounts with intraday drawdown.
Order filled.
No. Shorts are not working at all. And this could be a level here where things could trigger back. I don't want to force something against the whole trend. Yet I'm just trying to catch a movement of 5 to 6 points here in this choppiness. Obviously, it's pretty much controlled, right, as you can see.
Order filled.
We're not dealing with the highest numbers and sizes and contracts here. 493, 2 more contracts. I'm going for the higher low scenario, which means something like this. A higher low compared to that. That's a beautiful resistance there. I'm gonna DCA if I get a chance to do it. Stop loss is going to be above the whole thing. Yep. Very likely to make money today with the bulls. I'm just trying to play this temporary range structure here, which could act as a distribution. Let's see. Stop loss on my entry. I'm going to eliminate the risk. Stop loss on my entry. Let's see if this short holds for something. Not going to force it with shorts. I'm going to get back into finding longs, of course, because shorts are not having a great time in this market. Certainly
Order
not
filled.
like a that, obviously. No surprise. And we're just coming back. 5-minute looks bullish here, guys. It certainly wants higher. Interesting. Bitcoin is also above $107,000, so just a few $1,000s away from the all-time high. I think today it's going to be pretty aggressive. Let's have a look into the FedWatch tool for a moment. %79% pause on the next meeting, 30th of July. But then in September, it's 68% there is going to be a rate cut. Look at that. So this is the danger to buy the highs. It's a real danger behind the highs. Yeah, I need to make about 9,400 for my withdrawal. $4,000 in one way, 4,000, not 4,000. I've been reading, C-Man just said that 4,000 profit. I need to make 9,400 around that one. That's a 5-minute engulfing possibly appearing here. I've been searching for shorts earlier and nothing played out. This is the golden pocket level 467. Probably are going to be moved to live. Are they gonna defend this level once again? Or do we grab some liquidity from here? There is a fair value gap located on the 72. It's gonna be pretty interesting. It's not easy to make money from shorts here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Putting the stop loss right above this. Let's see if we are able to break below 83 with the possibilities of crossing the 80s.
Order filled.
Come on. Nah, it's very hard, guys. You know, I can put the stop loss right above this. Above the whole thing. But I'm telling you, going against the bulls right now is difficult. Although I think they should squeeze some longs. We've been building so much at this point. Stop loss right above this one. $60. I'm willing to risk that for a nice drop.
Order
5 minute
filled.
has closed nicely, but of course we got stopped out. This is too tight for the stop loss, guys. Yet you cannot allow more. It's not good. Look at that. I don't like this. I'm collecting a little too much on the losses. I don't like this, and now it pulls down. I don't like this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Not going to request more than the 90s in this trade.
Order filled.
We could see this level protected for the moment.
Order filled.
Yet once again. Let's see, how do we go about it?
Order filled.
Close to the 500s. That should be a nice trap. Stop loss on my entry. Let's go, guys. Come on. Pretty undecided here for the moment. It kind of looks like it wants to be defended, but the final adjustment needs to be made. Come on. There has to be a reason for those details. Certainly it has to be a reason. I never heard about like that. We've got hundreds of traders with top 1 futures, but I never heard anything like that so far. There must be something. Come on, guys, this is looking great for the moment. That would be our target for today. I will only need about 100 and so dollars tomorrow, and we're going for 3 payouts, 3,500. I'm gonna get 3,150. That's gonna be well above $9,000. Come on. 498. I've been switching back into my long here, by the way. The price action has been looking like, but this is a beautiful price action so far. Let's go, guys. Just a few more points needed. Just a few more points needed. I should trail right below the candlestick, guys. If this is reversing back there, I'm not going to enjoy that. Certainly not. Two points away from my target of the day. Come on. I mean, earlier we were 2 points away. Now it's a little more. But I'm still gonna sit in my trade here. With the current formula we have, there is a momentum here, right? So this momentum could actually lead into that 500s breakout. Stop loss right below the candlestick. I'm gonna trail right now and try to follow the price action smartly. Let's go, come on. We made another wick into 96. Fireworks, I've got them ready. Ready to pull the trigger. Either way. I could actually secure $1,000 right now and I would be $550 realized profit, but I'm not doing it, guys. You know, I've been going with this accounts pretty hard. We've been copy trading 7 accounts. That opening is not looking good.
Filled.
Yeah. But that's fine, guys. I mean, we have recovered a loss and we're sitting on profit here. We had the good chance allowing the markets to go for the target a little bit higher. Huh. I mean, it was a good trade, guys. Let's go for the fireworks. Little momentum here, some spiciness on the stream. Look at that, all the way bought back. And look at that, guys, the target would have been touched. There you go. This is what it means to do trailing. This is the disadvantage of trailing, guys. This is why I don't really like it. But the reason I did it, and I can tell you, is, you know, I was in minus with my realized profit and loss, right? I was in minus today. And I wanted to eliminate that in worst case scenario. So I eliminated that, but at the same time, I've been wiped out in a trade that should have been mine. Good day, guys. Good day, everyone. We are working hard for the payout here. It's not easy. Look at the markets. Fighting around the 500s. Yeah, cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. We're having a great time. Whatever happens out here, we're gonna smile. Appreciate it for joining. Make sure to like the video. We've got the giveaway. Let me tell you here. So like the video. Like and subscribe for the giveaway. Come on. Cheers, everyone. Pin the message. Looks like it wants to get back, but I have to wait a little more.
Order filled.
Stop loss right above this whole thing.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
You know, I'm willing to test a short here. Willing to accept 170, which is what I've made in profit. Willing to risk that here. We're just a single point away from the current price and my stop loss. Pretty hard. Come on. This is a classic price action pattern where people long and they can be nicely Swept out. We're gonna put the stop loss on the entry. Well, you have to follow their rules. Let's go, guys. You have to find the way basically to follow the rules, and of course complete the verification of the KYC as they're mentioning. I don't think there is any issue with that. They're paying out millions quickly, but all the verifications must be done accordingly. So it's the way it is. Of course, I'm out of this one. It's not looking good at all, guys. Made some profit, but there's not much behind it. Pretty difficult to trade here with this accounts, especially when you have the last meters, when you have the last push. Dingo trades, we've got tons of direct messages, you have to wait. Right, so there's someone writing me about things that are crazy. You know, there's a lot of the people asking me money daily, doing this, doing that, asking accounts. Not gonna be able to resolve that. So you have to wait, basically. We got a schedule and we're gonna respect it. I would scalp, but still impossible to do it against the trend.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't think it would be the smartest thing to do it against the trend.
Order filled.
Look at that. I was expecting a little stronger impulse here with this candlestick, but it's missing. Crazy price action, honestly. Was expecting a little more. I can look into that, Seaman. If you drop me a direct message with your support ticket, I can have someone from the highest level of support looking into your case. So if you want some help on the subject, let me know about it. Yeah, that's an option, Anton, as well. We're getting rejected out here. I don't like this. That's an option too. Accept smaller profits.
Order filled.
We have DCA'd a little bit into this candlestick, and I am putting my stop loss tight on my entry. Not my entry, right below the whole structure. We have DCA'd even more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nah. Denied once again on that pressure.
Order filled.
Nope. It has been refused. Yeah, direct message me on Discord. DM, direct message me on Discord. Here's the Discord, guys. You definitely need to be part of my Discord to be able to participate in the giveaway. Everyone, make sure to join my Discord. Make sure to like the video. Let's bring up the numbers. We don't have an easy day out here, struggling with the trade, struggling with the price action that is holding around this 500s. Look at that.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Bring it up. We got some resistance playing out here. Stop loss on my entry. Increasing the take profit. Increasing the take profit, guys, above the 500s. Three extra points above the previous all-time high generated a few minutes ago. 3 extra points of squeezing. Come on, guys. Oh, look at that wick. Look at that wick.
Order filled.
I'm out. Look at that wick, guys. It was so close. I think we're just a single tick away. At least we recovered out of the loss. But still, guys. What an opportunity there. Huh. What a mess. 375. We had our exit around that one. Very, very close. Probably a single tick. Come on, guys. We're still... I need to bring this one to 9,400. So we need an extra $900 here. But if I do that extra $900 today, is a little too much. Maximum I could do probably would be 850. And then only an extra 850 on top of what I made. Right, so it would only remain $50 or 70 or whatever, but certainly below 100 with that one. Yeah, Indian oscillator, exactly. I've been using that. Let's go, everyone. Make sure to like the video. We're back in profit. We're back in the story. This is going to be a $25,000 instant funding. The old instant funding with the end of the day drawdown. That's what we're doing today. Sitting on the 500s, look at that. Let's look into the daily candlesticks. And a very good way basically is to work around the dailies would be this. Reversing it. So 857 is 1.272 extension of the Fibonacci 857. Then 24,611. And then a very dangerous one. The 1.618 extension will be the 25,694. I think we're gonna have 2 or 3 all-time highs in the upcoming months. Probably then the markets are gonna have more and more difficult times. Depends a lot, guys, on the rate cuts. But this was the first all-time high. I think we're gonna have 2 or 3 more this summer. Yes, a lot of the people got those letters exactly. So we got Powell speaking today in front of the Senate, testifying in front of the Senate. It's going to be at 10 a.m. EST time. We're not going to be on the stream by that, but the markets will start bringing up the volatility with that for sure. We're very close to an all-time high situation here once again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So I'm trying to collect $200-300 on my trades, not more, $200 or $300, and then repeat that a few times instead of stop loss on my entry here. Come on, we just broke the all-time high. Where's the liquidity, guys?
Order filled.
We got break even with that. Look at this crazy price action. It always comes down to the trailings. They know what we're trading, guys. They know it. We're playing the safety with this price actions, with this market structure. Obviously, we have to trail. There's no other way you can go around it. Nvidia might go all-time high soon, and then obviously the S&P is having a little more fight to go, but it's gonna achieve that. I think it will do it. It's not a big prediction, right? This kind of price action is harder for me to trade than the regular one. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We've got the giveaway starting soon. But I have to trade 7 accounts here. 7 Sim Pro, which are close to the payout. The other 3 are 150k end of the day. Sim funded. The 7 are all intraday. Have a look into my stats, everyone. Where's my stats? Here's the performance stats. Look at that. This is what we're trading, guys. This is what we're trading. So I've got 41 trades today, look at that. And last week I had 22 trades. So today I actually had double more than I had throughout the entire week. Last week, right? Been fighting today with these positions. That's why I told you it's harder today for me. But we got good trading going on. So I've been copy trading 7 accounts till 23rd, including 23rd. 24th is already having a diversification strategy between these accounts, trying to maximize my chances of reaching a payout. So I've been putting them in groups and trading 3 at a time. So it's a double 3, and then the last one traded alone. That's where we are. Bitcoin might get into all-time high in June as well. We might see an interesting month of July for the altcoins. Very interesting. Tempting to try it out a short here with a tight stop loss. It's really tempting. But I'm not. It would be an emotional trade, guys. In this case scenarios with this market, even if it plays out correctly, you kind of have to avoid shorts.
Order filled. Order filled.
Got into the long.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yes, if you bought the accounts with 30%, it's good. 27 is good. $45 trades in a day, and then I have 22 trades the entire last week. That's the struggle today, guys.
Order filled.
This could easily get back into the 500s. Not adding more to this at all. We're pulling the target for a higher squeeze, and then we're going to exit earlier if it's needed, but I'm still allowing the chance basically for the squeezes to give me some extra money. You know, with this price action and with the whole market structure, I think no one is shorting this. Of course. Let's go, guys. That would touch my target for the day. That would be amazing. 516. Come on, guys. Stop loss on my entry. We're all-time high again. We're price discovery. We are price discovery. We should have those wicks. Where are the wicks? Come on. 5 points. I don't want to close out here. This is looking great. Nah. It's gonna go break even again, probably. I'm gonna put my stop loss a little bit lower. I'm gonna change this. I'm willing to give away what I've got in my account as a profit. For a bit of a room here, guys. Is around the 900s.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out there. So if we look into the weekly, look at that, guys. Since 2000s, this is the way it looks like. With the highest wick around the 430s. We're back at break even again. Pretty bad. We had actually $300 to $400 profit, and then in this trade it would have been around $300 as well. So I could have secured around $500. Was not really happy about that. "24 minutes to go for the New York opening."
Order filled. Order filled.
Testing out the 500s here. For a nice move into 505 if I get a chance with that.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We have DC'd into this position for a quick reversal. Stop loss to my entry once again. I mean slightly below. Come on, 3 points needed. 4 points from here. I don't think I'm gonna get that today, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
Order
Actually
filled.
sold 5 contracts. I reduced my position with 5 minis. We're sitting on 4 right now. And the stop loss right there on break even, guys. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. We've got the $25,000 Tap on Futures giveaway coming out. And this is going to be an exciting day. I mean, it's supposed to be an exciting day with the fact that we're very, very close to the payout with 7 accounts on Tap on Futures. I'm out of this
Order
position. It's not delivering yet. It's not delivering yet. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Less than 20 minutes to go for the New York opening. Still have to trade my Ticktick trader accounts too. And I still have, look at that, I would have been touch my target quite close to that, guys. Nope. I'm gonna short the next 5-minute candle. Close to a 50, 150 on the Nvidia. Very, very close to that, guys. Very, very close to that. It's close to deal with the all-time high. What an amazing situation. Look at that one. We've been sitting in along with a tight stop loss. The 5-minute is no longer looking bearish here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Think we're going to break out here once again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There is tons of divergences appearing when the market is going like this on all the time frames, which is why divergences and convergences with RSI are not functional during heavy trends. Even the theory of them are kind of telling us, notifying that we should not use RSI and divergence convergence strategy when there is a heavy domination. The risk of going divergence from a divergence is continuous, is very high. You could see quite a few divergences and convergences not playing out actually. I don't like the way it sits one here. I was not expecting basically there's such pressure out here. And there's not much room here for me. I have to close out the trade. I would actually hit my limit. The limit is around $1,665, guys. That's the limit I could lose. Even less than that because I have a 47 bucks. 1,575. That's the maximum I could accept today in this 3 accounts. Now an issue, we've got resources in the account, but still it just puts me back with another 1 to 2 days probably. This is why we have spread the 7 accounts that I was close to the payout into multiple groups of trading because of this. To increase my chances. Yeah, well, Jay, we've been doing some great performance in the pre-open. Thank you, appreciate your words. We've been doing some great performance in the pre-open markets, but it looks like today we've been struggling quite a lot. This is all pre-open. Yeah, pre-open for me is exactly what I enjoy. Thank you. We've got the giveaway coming out soon, guys. Make sure to stick with me. This is very likely going to be stopped out. And we are going to continue with the next 3 accounts that are also very close to the payout. We're just 1 point away from the stop loss, maximum loss possible. I was thinking about after the strong impulse we had, there's going to be another decent candlestick to the upside, giving me 6-7 points, so I could go break even with that one too, but that was not the case. You're welcome, buddy. Good job. This would be an interesting higher low here on the micro that is promising. As soon as the 1 minute is delivering above 502, we need that 502 to be delivered, guys. Come on. There you go. We're stuck. We're stuck on 502 for the moment. We are. Five-minute is not looking that good, guys. Certainly not. But the 1 minute is not terrible. With the last green candle we had, is definitely not terrible on the 1 minute. Obviously, higher time frames, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, it is very dangerous. You're extremely overbought throughout the day. Like, we can expect basically on higher time frames to move from overbought to overbought for quite a few days in a row. It has happened so many times with Nasdaq and with the stock markets in general. That's an ugly rejection right there. That's why I'm not using RSI, MACD, or anything that is part of the traditional level. The extreme over-exhaustion level here for the indicator would be around the 525 here. So that's a risky level indeed to open up along. Not on the opening, of course, because the opening could catch that liquidity, and no one knows in this case scenario when and where it is gonna stop, right? So definitely don't do that on the opening. We got 7 minutes to go, guys. We're back to my entry. Need a little more above this one. 6 points needed for the target of the day. Come on, guys, look at that. Let me just zoom into. We were half a point, 2 ticks from this level here, 2 ticks, right? Just 2. I mean, sometimes you have to be lucky. Of course, it's not over here. It's definitely not over. Could have a double resistance and then pulls back. That's right. But what I wanted to say is sometimes next to your knowledge, you also have to be lucky. Because this is not knowledge what happened here down. Simply, I've been lucky there. I don't want to get close to the opening with 9 minis, honestly. I think I got no choice for the moment. Come on. Slowly and slowly building the staircase. The risk of the elevator is there with this price action. That's why throughout the whole day I've been quickly going break even with my stop loss because of the elevator. I don't like that. We might spike up right before the opening. I'm not gonna sit in the opening with 9 contracts, right? So I'm very close to the payout. It's not worth it to risk that on the opening. Even if it spikes up, I'm gonna have a lot less contracts. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh, look at that, guys. There was a 15 points... No. Yeah. There was a 15 points drop out of the nowhere, and we got stopped out like that. So we are $3,000 away right now from the payout. This is what it is. Moving on to the next 3 accounts that I have to trade. Number 4, number 5, and number 6. They are also very close to the payout. Less than $2,000. We got 13 points. Instant dump. And it wiped me out. Let's see, guys, how are we for the opening? I've been wiped out in this candlestick here. Morning, Gunner. Morning, everyone. For the giveaway, you have to be here on the stream. Like the video, be subscribed to my channel, and the giveaway is gonna happen here. Yeah, there's people trading without a stop loss on a long to the upside. We're also using basically 5-minute, 15-minute, and pre-live stream. I'm doing my technical analysis in general on higher time frames too. And then basically trying to work out levels around supply, demand, Fibonacci's, opening, EMAs, daily, weekly, monthly opening, yearly opening. We're trying to work around these levels, volume weighted average prices. Pretty much today we're far away from all of those. And then on top of that, the entry is completed based on the price action. Less than 2 minutes to go, guys. I'm going to have a limit order on 483, 484, 485 in case the market wants to go there. But I think there is going to be a little pump here on the opening, which...
Order filled. Order filled.
Which I'd like to be part of if that's the case.
Order filled.
519, 20 points basically for me. I'm 20 points. And I have on the other side my maximum loss I could take is the same 1,655. Right, so we're set, guys. We are set for the opening. Last minute to go. It's very risky trading the opening, indeed. Something that I'm desiring right now. Something that I'm going for as a accepted risk. "30 seconds to go. It's very risky, correct. With 3 minutes, 10 seconds to go, guys. Putting the opening bell right there. Stop loss on my entry. Right below the candle stop
Order
loss.
filled.
We got stopped out there. Probably market would... Nah. You see, we had a chance there, and I was going for the move there a little higher. Look at that. That's exactly where my target was sitting, guys, under 20s. Look at that. The idea was correct. The execution is difficult, right? With minis, we got wicked out there. Nothing I could do about it.
Order filled.
Testing out a short.
Order filled.
Stop loss right above the wick. All the way back to the 500s. Let's go, guys. Come on. It is lovely to make some money during this kind of pumping markets, right? To make some money from shorts. It's like extra rewarding. Look at that, guys. Come on. Putting my stop loss to my entry. Few extra points needed. Give me the drop. Give me the drop, guys. Come on. All the way back to the starting point of the candlestick. I'm out.
Order filled.
Look at that one, fellas. Beautiful $736 on 3 copy traded. There you go, guys. And look at that. And look at the exit, fellas. Look at the exit. This is the price action knowledge. Beautiful. 736. We need $900 here. That's what I still need to do for 3 accounts payout. $900. The maximum I can do in a day is 1,100. So I could make around $400 today and then $500 tomorrow for this account. But I'm gonna leave this ones like this, right? I'm not gonna touch this anymore. I'm gonna go to the last account that is part of the 7. Let me move my face away from here. So this is how we have them organized. We have been doing copy trading for 7 days in a row, for all of the 7. And then yesterday, I separated the first 3 in a group that I've been trading earlier, and we got stopped out in 1,700 loss. It's a controlled loss. The next 3, which is something that I've been trading right now and still needs around $900 profit here. And then the last one, which only needs around 1,100, and I did not trade that today. So I'm going to go and trade the last one, the number 7. Look at that.
Order filled.
I think we're going to push higher here. Back into my...
Order filled.
This is my number 7 account.
Order filled. Order filled.
This should force for a continuation here. From my understanding. Could be wrong, of course. But I'm gonna be careful, guys. $145 on my exit. Come on, let's go, guys. Stop loss on the entry. Very close to the take profit. I'm out.
Order filled.
$853. $853. Where are the fireworks? We're very close to the payout with this one, which is traded alone. We're about $200 away from the payout. Boom. Let me share with you guys. So performance stats. This is where we are. Oops. What's happening, guys? Got my settings wrong. So, let me put this one back right there. Sorry, guys. So, this is where we are. Let's do the math. 1,136 is the minus, plus 1,176, right? Is the plus, is the highest day. Highest loss, highest profitable day. That's how you have to do it for the equity stability score. So 1,636 plus 1,176 is 2,812. I have to divide this 2,812 to, I'm expecting 9,400 to be sufficient to the total profit. That's what you got to do. We have 9,231, so we have to do that extra. So I'm dividing this 2,812 to 9,400. It gives me 0.299, and that's good for equity stability, which is 30. So clearly, I have to do another $170 here. Perfect. And then the other 3 are needing like 900 bucks, 850. The ones that I just traded earlier. Beautiful, guys. So we're gonna go for the payout tomorrow. I'm not gonna force it today. I had quite difficult moments out there with the first 3 accounts. We've been sitting on them for an hour and 30 minutes without advancing too much, and then we've been wicked out. However, overall, we are closer and closer. Look at that. Distance to maximum loss is 6,000. I'm not going to trade today the Ticktick trader. I don't have more time on that. We're going to move to the giveaway. We're going to move to the giveaway. Time for the giveaway. Time for the giveaway, everyone. We got Powell speaking in 20 minutes. Be careful, everyone. Beautiful, guys. Good morning, everyone. Thank you. Appreciate it. We got the giveaway coming out right now, fellas. So, you have to listen to the rules. Everyone listen to the rules. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel with the notification bell turn on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Each day is coming out with giveaways. And then join my Discord as well, especially in order to be accepted in the giveaway. So these are the 3 things you gotta do. Then, respect the rules, guys. Only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Only 1 guess per person. Wait for me to tell you when to start. Wait for me to tell you. The message is going to appear. Prepare, guys. Come on. Make sure to like the video. And here we are. You can start. Good luck, everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Once again, for those of you that joined late, make sure to like it, be subscribed, get ready, guys. Only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. This is a $25,000 SIM-funded account, end of the day drawdown for Ticktick Trader, instant funding prop firm. Where, by the way, you got 55% discount with my code. Alright, guys, that's the end right there. That's the end right there. Do not write after the end message. Do not write and do not guess after the end message, guys. Beautiful. So, I'm gonna shuffle this a few times. Let's do it. Nasdaq is in 540s. Beautiful. This is gonna be the final version. Good luck, chat. Look at that one. We have a double 4 coming out. But I don't think we stay there. We have a double 4. Look at that. I think this is going to be 5. I think this is going to be 5, guys. There you go. It's going to be number 5. I got the feeling of this wheel. Hey, there you go. Beautiful. Great one, fella. So now you're going to round number 2. We're putting out the duck race. We are putting out the duck race for you guys. Badger is helping us with the list. We have 54 winners. 54 winners with number 5. You guys are gonna compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Gonna shuffle the characters. There you go. Beautiful, guys. 54 winners for a $25,000 account. Tap 1 futures, end of the day. Let's go, guys. Come on. Good luck, everyone. Look at the Noosphere. Noosphere is pushing through, guys. These ducks without costumes are lighter and they can swim quicker. Some of you are not even appearing on the stream. Have to do something with your ducks, guys. Look at that. You're somewhere behind there. There's no fitness. Look at a Batman. You don't have to speed up right now. You're not gonna win if you're the leader right now, I'm telling you. I have to be somewhere in the middle of this range, of this group, right? It's hardly visible, your names there. There's so many. The construction worker, Mr. Official. There you go. Last minute to go. Yeah, it could be so slow. You're up there at the top. I can see you. Here we go. Here we go. The last 30 seconds. It's gonna be quite fast. Within the last 7 seconds, guys. That's gonna be the time the difference is going to be made. Some of the ducks are gone. And the competition is filtered. Look at that one, fellas. Who's gonna pick up the volume right now? Let's see. Oh. Another one is down. And we got a police duck, right? We got a police one. Look at that one. Beautiful. Number 16 for the winner. Congratulations, guys. Let me share with you the fireworks. Boom. Beautiful. Reach out to me on Discord to get your account. Let me tell you something, guys. Yesterday we had 2 giveaways and 3 winners. Think about it. There's 2 guys claiming the same account. 2 different guys. They have to decide, right? I'm not going to be able to share the same account. So there's 2 guys trying to claim the same account. 2 different guys. Someone is trying to scam. Beautiful, guys. Have a beautiful day out there. Have a relaxing day. Careful with the numbers. We've got Powell speaking in 11 minutes. Thank you, Oliver. Appreciate it. Have a great time. Have a lovely day. We'll talk to you soon.